to share with you my wish list. I will not make any recommendations, y'all, because y'all know I am an addict. So if I slip one in, I'm not saying go get this because you need it, because I don't even need the stuff that I'm getting. But I'm going to let y'all know what I do have on my wish list, okay? All right, let me get situated out of the screen over here so you guys can see. Y'all know, first and foremost, I got all 3 of the Pat McGrath Labs palettes. The mini palettes, the quads. I have the Blitz Astral Quad. Well, all of them are called the Ritualistic Rose, the Nocturnal the Ritualistic Rose first. So I'm with the red tones, yellow. I like all of them, so I cannot be descriptive on either one of them. The Nocturnal Narvina with the purple and the blue, man, these are so beautiful. And then the Iconic Illumination. I just gotta have them. I mean, I'm thinking I'm just gonna stop buying all the extra palettes that are just not 100%, you know, something that I have to have, and just start getting the stuff that I really feel like I have to have. And honestly, I don't have to have none of this stuff. We know that, right? I also have, y'all already know because I told you I was getting this palette, and I'm getting it, the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette. I have to have that palette. It is so beautiful. I mean, it's not like the world's gonna end, it's gonna stop. I just love the shades, the different colors. I don't have anything like this. I just want it so bad. And let me tell y'all, I also have, but I took it out. I'm thinking I'm gonna take it out. The Cool Tone, not actually Cool Tone. This is the Sephora Pro Editorial Palette. It's on sale for $34. Yes, it is. That's the only reason. You know, the original price is $68. So that's why I left it in my cart, honestly. Because that's a big difference. I don't know how long it's going to be on sale. Is it just short term, or are they just getting rid of it? But I want to go ahead and get it while it's on sale. I have the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Finish Foundation. It's $44. I'm thinking I'm going to get 15.5 Cool. It looks to be my shade, so yeah, I'm going to get that. And then I've never tried a Lancome powder. The Lancome powder in medium deep or translucent. I don't know which one to get. Maybe I should get the translucent. I'm looking at the medium deep, but I think I'm going to get the translucent. It's on sale for $26. And the original price is $37. So $26 plus 20% off. Yeah, I'm getting that. I'm definitely getting that. And out of all of the Huda Beauty palettes, I'm thinking I want to get Nude Rich. I don't need any more palettes, but at least I'm not getting all 3. I'm thinking I'm just going to get just one. And y'all already know. I'm getting that Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I've been holding out, waiting on the sale to pick them up, and hoping they didn't sell out. So far, they're still there, so I am definitely getting them. I am getting them. Also, there's a Fenty Beauty Lip Stunner Mini Longwear Fluid. I'm getting that little mini. It's because it's a different color. It's a color that's not in it's a new shade, but it's only in a mini. I'm hoping they bring it out in full size. It's called Underdog. Gotta get that. There's a new Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Man, mine completely ran out. I don't have stacks on stacks, so I have a good reason to go ahead and get that. And it's a new flavor out. It's called Sweet Candy. So that's the one that I'm gonna be getting. I'm only getting 2 lipstick sets. I don't need them because I have so many lipsticks. But I want the Charlotte Tilbury Hot Lips with 2 mini lip sets. Hot Lips 2 mini lip set. That's what I'm getting. It's got 3 different shades, but they're all minis. I never tried a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, so that's the reason I want that. And then, of course, Party Pooper Ultimate Lipstick Love Mini Kit. Y'all know I love lipstick love. I love Becca lipsticks and that lipstick love. And you get 3 of them in there for $25, and none of the shades are shades that I have. And I just love the formula of that lipstick, so I'm gonna pick that up. I'm trying not to, I don't know, more than likely I will thin this down a little because it's kind of obsessive. There's a beauty blender in there that has a little soap with it, and it's on sale for $14 with a 20% off. Of course, I'm getting it. I have the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership 6. I have all those palettes, and I have to get 6. See, I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and do that palette sale so it can add to my funds to get more palettes. And I think that's all, y'all. I'm thinking that's all. Because I was going to get the Buxton. Buxton has a pretty Give Me Glitter Mini Plumping Lip Gloss set. But I have so many of those minis now from last year and the year before that I purchased. So it makes no sense at all for me to get another one. Sephora has their Sephora Collection Rouge Cream Lipsticks on sale for $4. I have 2 of those in my cart. And did y'all see the new palettes that came out today? Well, I got the email today. Anastasia Beverly Hills has come out with 2 more palettes, y'all. I was like, are they kidding? They gotta be kidding. I just could not believe it. It's the Norvina Pro Pigment 1 and 2 minis. I'm like, what? Are they serious? I mean, they cute, but they doing too much. And I didn't even bother to go. You know what? Let me go over to the site and see how much they are. I don't think I'm going to get these because they are $30 each. Or $37 if you get the set with the little Anastasia Beverly Hills primer. I won't be picking those up. They're okay, but no, they're not going in my basket. And besides, right now my basket is at $900, so I'm definitely gonna be shaving my basket back because I got other things that I need to do. Okay, y'all, those are the items that are on my wish list, and I don't know. I am not gonna sit here and say that I'm not gonna do it this year. Every year I just go overboard and I get way too much stuff that I don't need, that I really can't even get my hands on, because those Christmas palettes, there is a beauty blender set that's huge. That's out. And it's $65. You get 4 blenders and 4 soaps. I had that in my basket and I immediately took it out. Like, no, I'm not gonna do it. It's some Lily lashes on here. That's Meek 3D lashes for $25 with a mini lash glue. I don't know. And I always get a perfume, but I'm thinking I'm just going to skip on it this time. Now, I may go ahead and get the Olaplex. Olaplex has a holiday hair set that's $58. And that's good because you get 5 different, what is it? You get the, let me make it big, y'all. No, I can't see. You get the number 3, the Bond. You get the Hair Perfector, number 3, the Bond Maintenance Shampoo, number 4, the Bond Maintenance Conditioner, number 5, and the Bond Smoother, number 6 for $58. And y'all know each one of those are like $27 a piece, so that's a really good deal. That's a really good deal. But I'm having to trim my cart back so I don't end up going over. I really did want to go ahead and pick up that Dominique Cosmetics palette, but I am not. I'm staying within range. Tatcha even has a gift set here. The skincare for Makeup Love for $65. It has all 5 stars. So that lets you know it has everything in it, but I'm not going to get it because I hardly even pick it up. That smoothing primer, but I do want to get it because of that purple face mask, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna stay true to myself and to my budget. I'm not gonna go over. The very last thing that I'm looking at or I'm thinking about is the mini blush and lip balm set from NARS. It's $24. I really, really, really got that over here hanging out in my cart. But like I said, I'm already $900 right at $1,000, not including taxes. And I'm pretty sure the little 20% not going to take that much off. So, yeah. And I'm definitely sure I'm not going to get all of this. I'm just sure I'm not. I'm telling myself I'm not because I'm not going to do it. Christmas coming, y'all. And I'm going to keep that in my mind. I got a whole bunch of little babies to buy. Oops. Sorry about that. I got a whole bunch of little babies to buy stuff for. So, and that is my wish list, y'all. Y'all know I'm sitting over here. I just ran across one of these Charlotte Tilbury palettes, but I don't see myself paying no $53 for foreshadows. So I'm not even going to talk about it. Ooh, Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum has a celebration set out for $59. You get the shampoo, the spray, the Bum Bum cream, and a hand cream. I ain't gonna do it. That's it, y'all. These are all the things I'm getting. We're gonna end this video right here before my cart even grows bigger. But I just give y'all some suggestions if you're looking and, might decide what you want to get. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.